Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 12th on a Wednesday. Seeing a nice gap up in the SPY this morning, breaking out of this range on the gap. I think you have to be careful. This could be a sell the fact, referring to the CPI number. Keep it tight out there. When I'm swing trading, I do not like to chase, but nonetheless, there's some decent setups out there. This ON, I think you got to watch that. I'm in this from 32.39. I bought some yesterday. It could add to my position if it gets above this breakout here, but I'm liking that setup there. I think I mentioned this yesterday. Joby, another one, JLBY, couple of gap and goes. Well, this wasn't a really gap and goes, but you can see it's been kind of sloppily trading sideways. And now you got that 10-period moving average coming up underneath it and supporting the price action. You can see a price alert I set a while back in this thing. Makes me a little nervous that we didn't get that gap fill, but nonetheless, a very powerful setup there. Dish, boy, I still think you got to keep an eye on this. A heavy short float in this, and if it does, just put you alert on that break in, that 3-day high there. I am actually in this around this price range right now. Bought it yesterday, but watch DISH. SEAB is a little bit kind of an interesting one for me, and the reason it is nice, kind of a wedge being formed, but I'm thinking this thing may want to tag this 10-period moving average. So a lot of times what I'll do is kind of put an alert below and look for it to flush out and maybe catch that 10-period moving average there. This is something I do quite a bit. So, and just go in with maybe half size or something like that. But all right, there's a few out there, a lot more on my list, but that's all I have time for today. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.